A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So, as we were doing which chapter? Time chapter, right? So, we are practicing questions of workbook. So, you practice at home, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Okay? And the presentation list is also sent in the this Google Classroom, so you can check that. So, children, we are going to start with our practice questions, which is given in your workbook. So we'll do some of the practice questions today, children. So take out your maths copy and workbook. So let's start the class. So children, let's start the class. So today we are going to start with our practice questions. So take out your workbook, page number 17. Page number 17, workbook. So you can take out your maths copy, draw margin there, write today's date, practice questions, and let's do these questions. You can name this as A. Read the questions and find the part of the day when the activities happen. So children, what we are supposed to find here? We are supposed to find here parts of the day. So parts of the day are what? Morning, noon, which is also called midday, afternoon, evening, then night, isn't it? Midnight. So these are the parts of the day. So children, Maya's father took her to buy clothes after coming home from school. When did they go to the shop? So children, she came back from school in which part of the day? She came in afternoon, right? So she went after that. So after afternoon what comes? Evening. So the answer is evening. EVENING, evening. Second question, how can we say whether it is night or day? You can say when there are stars in the sky, it is night, isn't it? So you can write your own answer. Sirja brushed her teeth and went to play on a Sunday. She brushed her teeth and went to play on a Sunday. When did she go to play? Can you say, children? In which part of the day Sirja brushed her teeth and went to play on a Sunday? It was Sunday. So she went, when did she go to play? In the morning, right? So she brushed her teeth in the morning and after that she went to play. So that time was what? That time, which part of the day was it? Morning. Clear? Because it was Sunday, so she could not go. It can't be school, right? So after brushing her teeth, she went to play on a Sunday. Clear? Next, arrange the following from what you do earlier to later. Earlier to later, that is first to last. Okay? So let's arrange this. Number 4, reading and writing in school, playing, coming from school, brushing teeth. So we always start with our day with brushing teeth, right? So here it comes 1. After brushing teeth, what we do, children? We reading and writing in school, right? Number 2, reading and writing in school. Then coming from school. Number 3. Then we come from school. And at last, children, in the evening, what we do? We play. Clear? Number 5, eating food, paying bill, ordering food, leaving the restaurant. So children, what do you do first when you go to the restaurant? We order food. So this is 1. After ordering food, children, what we do? We eat that food. Number 2. Right? And after eating that food, what we do? We pay the bill. That means we pay the money. Then last, we leave the restaurant. That is 4th. Okay, so we have arranged this from earlier to later. Next, number 6. Look at the pictures below. State which picture shows day, which picture shows night. Now children, you have to tell which picture is shows day and which picture shows night. So here you can say there is sun, so it shows It shows what, children? It shows day. So you can write it down anywhere you find the place. You write it down there or in the copy. A, this is day and this is night, because you can see moon and stars, right? So this is night. Next, which one is day and which one is night, children? Question number 7. This is day and this is night. Okay. Next, which activity in each of the pairs will take longer to finish? So children, these are number 8. You can see some activities are here, and which will take more time. You have to say which activity in each of the pair will take longer to finish. Longer to finish means long time to finish. Okay. Drinking a glass of water or drinking a glass of hot milk. Very obvious, children. Drinking a glass of hot milk will take time. So you can write the answer 8. Drinking a glass of hot water. Done? Next, traveling to other city or traveling to other part of your city. Traveling to other part of his other city, children. Traveling to other city or traveling to other parts of your city where you are residing, children. So suppose we are in Guwahati, right? So in Guwahati, children, there are different parts, there are different areas, and if you go in different areas of within your city, will it take more time? If you travel to some other city, will that take more time? Traveling to other cities will take more time. So you can write the answer 9, traveling to other cities. Clear? Okay. So children, I'll conclude